I'll do my best. So, what do you think about the condition of this hot dog?
Come on, kid. You didn't get that from me. I can smell it from here.
I'm not talking to you. What do you think, Murray?
The same as this good man just said. I highly doubt you got that here.
Oh, really? What about the certificate of authenticity, then?
What? Let me see.
I said I wasn't talking to you. Got it?
That is your certificate, my friend.
That's impossible. Hey, I know what's going on here. I'm sure that dirty punk bought that from me a few days ago, and now that the meat is off, he wants us to believe he got it here today. Ha ha! Nice try, kid.
Why don't you check the date, Murray?
No way.
It is today's date.
Bazinga! In your face, dickhead.
But,
Who's your daddy?
but,
Randal is. Who's your daddy?
that's it.
Randal is. Don't you know?
Okay. Looks like everything is starting to make sense here.
But it can't be. I'm sure I didn't sell anything to this moron.
I'm sorry, friend, but this looks serious. I'm afraid you'll have to come down to the station.
I can't believe this.
Me neither.
This is so unfair. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, tell it to the judge.
What judge? You can't arrest me for that. Come on, officer. How about one on the house? With extra chili. That's your favorite, right? Oh, come on. You know I'm innocent.
Murray, don't fail me now.
Officer Murray, you know I'm innocent.
Tell it to the judge.
What?
Right on. That's my Murray.
This isn't over. I am gonna talk to my lawyer. He's gonna clear my name.
You can call whoever you want, but from the station.
Ooh, this is great. I'm gonna tell Mel the good news. Hello?
Yeah?
I just wanted you to know that you're officially avenged.
Did you kill that hot dog bastard?
Better yet, I got him arrested.
And how the hell does that help me?
I don't know, you should just be happy. He was guilty and he got caught. See? The system works.
That guy didn't... I didn't do a damn thing!
Oh my god. What?
I'm saying that it wasn't his hot dog what made me sick. In fact, it was delicious!
Aw, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
No, ouch! I got sick because I baked myself one of those mercury cola pies. Always lead to serious intestinal problems.
Then why the hell did you blame that poor hot dog guy? Everybody knows his hot dogs are the shit. Now thanks to you, I'll never be able to try one.
Sorry, kid. But that coffee is the only thing that relieves the agony when I get this sick. And that bastard wouldn't give me his. So, that's it.
I'd judge you, but to be honest, I've done much worse things to be here today.
Good for you. I'm sorry, kid. Out. But I need some privacy now. End of conversation.
Okay, have a blast. One latte macchiato with extra saccharin coming up.
Really?
Do you think I'd lie about something like that?
How should I know? I barely know you.
Here you go.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, come on now. I just do what I can.
I owe you my life, boy. I was starting to seriously contemplate suicide.
Oh, no, please, come on. I've seen enough suicides for the moment.
I like how that sounds.
That's 'cause you're a weird guy. Well, let's talk business, shall we?
This miniature's wonderful. It even lights up.
I always offer maximum quality.
I love it. And it's from the original series. This is amazing. How much do you want?
Everything you have, in cash, please.
All of it?
I saved you, you owe me.
I know, but...
No buts. Do you have any idea what I went through for that coffee?
No.
Phew. Thank God, because it wasn't really that hard. Anyway, the thing is that your stomach didn't explode and you have me to thank for that. So come on, give it here.
Fine, kid. I didn't know you were so treacherous.
Of course you didn't. You barely know me.
Yeah, and I hope it stays like that. Here's your money.
I'm back. All I had to do was break into a bar mitzvah and steal all the jackets from the check room.
Aw, the universe will punish you one day.
One day, huh? Maybe on a Monday, right? Well, I'm sick of it. Here, this should be more than enough.
More than enough? I don't think so.
Dude, I'm sure that's the biggest amount of money you've ever seen altogether in your life, even including that dream you had where you broke into Fort Knox. So don't tell me it's not enough.
Hey, the Fort Knox thing was top secret. If the wrong people are listening in, we could get killed.
Charlie, I told ya, you can't break into Fort Knox unless your name is John McClane. Besides, didn't you say they had a velociraptor with a flashlight for a security guard?
That only proves that they're also doing shady illegal experiments in there.
Oh, whatever. So do you want more money? Seriously? Because this is all I have.
Well, maybe there's something you can do for me.
Ew, don't put it like that. You make it sound so unsavory.
Ah, forget it. I don't think you'd be up to it anyway.
Hey, come on. You can't do that now. Come on, spill.
Okay, so this year is Captain Red's 35th anniversary.
And you want to propose to the actor who plays him at the convention, right? Okay, I haven't seen him around today, but don't worry. I'm your bro. I'll be your wingman.
You know, Randall, every word you say only gets you one step further from this ring.
Relax, man. I was just kidding. I'm sure you don't need my help seducing him.
Okay, the price has just gone up by 20%.
Aw, come on.
You're a real big mouth, Randall. Learn when to stop.
Charlie, I can't afford one more cent.
I'm not talking about money. As I was saying, this year we celebrate Captain Red's 35th anniversary.
And you want to propose to the...
Enough already. I just wanted you to go to the food section and get some official Captain Red ice cream so we can share it and celebrate this special event together.
Sounds pretty simple.
Ah, you don't get it. That offer is off the table.
Oh, then what the hell do you want from me?
You must find me some rare Captain Red merchandising. Something I don't already have. And I warn you, I am a serious collector. And that is the only way you'll be getting your hands on this ring.
Oh, seriously? Where am I gonna find something like that?
Hey, not my problem.
That's Father Roy's chalk. Trying to take it from him would be like trying to make a Mogwai observe Ramadan. I have to create some kind of diversion. I don't think I can do this. The most important ball is missing. Elaine, the cue ball is missing.
Oh, I guess some idiot must have taken it.
Hey, maybe the thief needed it for something.
Yeah, right. And I'm sure you had nothing to do with it.
Hey, that accusation offends me.
Okay, here. But please be careful with it, that's the last one.
I'm always careful. Okay then, carry on, Elaine. Did you see that, Father? That's how you sink everything in one. He's not looking now. Now he has a cute blue hat. Hey, great job, Bob.
Thanks, but how do you know my name?
It's right there on your uniform.
Oh, right. You're a very observant kid.
Yeah.
Someone like you could go all the way in this business, you know?
The painting fire hydrants business? No thanks.
Well, I do more than just painting. A cake fart.
Wow, that's just fascinating.
I know.
By the way, can I borrow your can of paint? It'll just be for a minute.
No way. I need it.
I haven't even seen you paint a single stroke since I've been here. Come on, it's for a good cause.
Really? What?
Well, I'd like to recreate a scene from Braindead.
I'm sorry. The paint stays where it is.
Ah, thanks for nothing.
You're welcome.
Now he's wearing a fancy red suit. Nice. Now it'll stop dripping. What the hell? Fucking koala bear just stole my figure. Why me, Lord? Why me? Now there's some eucalyptus flavor bait on the rod. Let's hope he takes the bait. This should work, but it's just that... Nah, goddamn it, I can't do it. Nobody with even a shred of human feeling would do something like that. I know that little bastard robbed me, but he looks just like a walking teddy bear. There's gotta be another way to catch a stupid koala.
A koala? Where?
What in the name of...
Orders from Town Hall. We need to exterminate all those cuddly vermin. They're spreading like rats.
Fine, but just for the record, I'm totally against what you just did. No cute animals should ever be hit with hammers. Not in this dimension, not in any dimension. You got no escape now, you damn marsupial. Give me back my figure. I better take the murder weapon. It's a very useful tool.